We collect labels throughout our lives. Some are given to us, whispered in passing, or declared in moments of frustration. Others, we assign to ourselves, born from a single mistake or a fleeting feeling. They start as simple words, descriptions that seem to fit at the time, almost like a second skin. But these labels can quietly imprison our growth. A label that might have been true once, a snapshot from a single chapter of your story, may no longer deserve its present authority. Think of them like old stickers on a well-loved book. The pages have been filled, the story has moved on, but the sticker remains, a faded echo of a previous version. These old labels do not always deserve current power. Words like shy, disorganized, too sensitive, or not a leader become the silent architects of our comfort zones. They build walls we don't even realize are there, subtly dictating our choices, whispering what we can and cannot do, who we can and cannot become. They are the ghosts of our past selves, haunting our present potential. So here is a small challenge. Take a quiet moment today. Ask yourself, what is one label I carry that feels heavy? One that no longer serves the person I am or the person I am becoming? It doesn't have to be a monumental revelation. It can be a small, quiet word that has overstayed its welcome. Acknowledge it. See it for what it is. An old story, not a life sentence. You don't need to fight it or erase it from your history. Simply recognize that its authority has expired. The person who first wore that label has grown, learned, and evolved. You have earned the right to a new description. Now consciously release that one outdated label today. In your mind, picture yourself peeling it away. Feel the lightness as it lifts. This simple act is not about denying your past, but about claiming your present. It's a declaration that you are not a static object to be defined, but a living, breathing story, constantly unfolding. You are more expansive than any single word. Grant yourself the grace to outgrow the definitions that no longer fit and the freedom to simply be unlabeled.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.